princess. Turn. Wow! I'm with Vingle and her fiance. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. As you guys can see, I'm back here at home in the countryside, and today I'm gonna take you guys with me as a life of a content creator. So we're actually filming a few videos today that is gonna be for TikTok. Yes, that's right, I'm also a TikTokerist. So yeah, we will be cooking a lot of food since my TikTok is mainly for cooking. So if you guys want to learn or want to know about how do I cook here in the countryside, or what are the food that I cook here, you guys can head over to my TikTok account at meljeansolon 8. Yes, with number 8. Alright, so I think we will be filming about 4 to 5 cooking videos today. So my sister doesn't have work, it's her day off, and yeah, she will be my assistant and probably my videographer as well. So, hi. Anyway, it is a beautiful day here in the countryside, guys. It's very sunny. I'm happy about that because we will have a very good lighting. So we're just preparing all of the ingredients that we will be cooking. We're gonna be cooking it outside since my TikTok is like a countryside feel. So let's go. Go, 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 go. You have to push. Push. Good girl. Oh, say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. That's my baby.
That's your baby? What's the name of your baby?
Unicorn elephants.
Unicorn and elephant?
Yes.
Hi. Nice to meet you guys. Alright guys, we are starting with our production right here. We are here outside. Scarlet Boo will be playing with her bike. Right, this is our production right here. It's an outdoor cooking, okay? So we're using wood, and then all of the ingredients are here. Ta-da! So first dish will be mungus. So this is the mungus that we've actually pre-cooked last night, because it's gonna take a while if you are going to cook it today. So we've cooked that last night. We have Malabar spinach, this one, kalabasa, moringa leaves, and all that. There you go.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Good girl.
No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do.
Okay, what are you doing, honey? You want to eat? No. Yes, I'm vlogging you, honey. Are you video? Alright, people, we just finished 2 dishes. So we have mungus. Ta-da! And then this is buwad, the small fish. Look at that. We have rice, and actually, it is already 11 a.m. and it started drizzling, guys. Like, zero visibility now. So look, I'll show you. Yes? Yeah, I'm gonna eat. Hold on. I'll show them the outside first. Look. Look at that. That escalated pretty quickly. Earlier, it was very sunny. Yeah, I'm getting used to this, actually. It's always like that here in the countryside. 1 hour, it gets very sunny. The next, it's gonna be raining. We're gonna eat because I'm already hungry. I didn't have any breakfast, by the way. And this little girl, Hoy, why are you getting all the sabaw? The soup. You want? Okay. It's yummy. Wow, you like Tita's cooking? It's yummy, right? It's not hot anymore. Okay, let's eat. Let's see. What did you say? Wow, good girl. Bon appetit, baby. I want rice.
I want rice. Rice.
You want rice?
Small.
Small. This one? Okay. There you go. Alright guys, our third dish is already done. What are you doing there? What are you doing, Pangga? Okay, so Scarlett has a prince. What is it? Princess, right?
Mine.
It's yours.
So big.
Prince and Princess of Heart, which will be happening this Monday. And so,
That's mine. It's so big. It's small.
yeah, I know, but look, we have here this gown that was given to Scarlett from my sister's HR day. Sorry. All right, look how big it is, guys. I'm gonna show you because it actually fits me. And I really like this gown because it's very classic. So, all right, are you ready, Pangga? Tita will wear it, okay? Tita will wear this na lang on Mami Vingol's wedding. It's color blue. Look guys, it fits me. It fits me so well. Okay, can you? Like this? Wait. Like this. Guys, look. Look at the gown. It's so pretty. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, can Tita make a twirl? You ready? 1. Ta-da! I'm like a princess. Wow. Guys, so this is our problem because this is very big. Not sure what are we gonna let Scarlett wear for her pageant. But this is very nice. Wow! Can you walk? Can you walk towards Tita? Wow! It's so big, Pangga. It's really big. Yeah, you have to kick. Yeah, like that. That's how you walk. You look so pretty, honey. Can you face Tita? Okay, walk. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Wow, like a princess. Another turn. Can you turn one more time? Turn. Wow! Alright guys, so we just finished cooking all 4 dishes for today. And what time is it right now? It is already 1:35 p.m. We started what? Well, my sister started preparing everything at 4 a.m. 5 a.m. She's tired already. So yeah, this is how it is. This is the background of content creation, guys. It really takes a village. It takes some time to create something. But anyway, I'll show you what are the food that we have prepared. All 4 of them. They're looking so delicious. So we have a lot of food today. All right, first we have this. This is the dried fish. Ta-da! The little fish. And then this is munggos, mung bean soup. It's got spinach, moringa leaves, and also pumpkin. And this one is the adobo sa Cebu. So there are different kinds of adobo, but this is how we do our adobo in Cebu, guys. It's just salt and the pork and also garlic. There you go. If you guys want to see how I actually did this, you can go to my TikTok. And then here, I just finished cooking this one. This is the chicken adobo, the spicy chicken adobo. It's got a lot of chili right there. So yeah, if you guys want to see how did I cook all these, you can go to my TikTok. There you go. Hello guys, we just finished cooking popcorn. Look at this. Ta-da! We just cook it right here. It's so amazing. All right, what are you guys doing there? Can I join? What are you eating, honey? Oh my gosh, can I have one? Can I have some coconut as well? Cheers.
We'll have to see.
Today is about eating. We've been eating.
We're eating so much.
We're eating so much.
So much to eat.
Up, up. Out of balance. Uy.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go.
Alright guys, hello. This is after 3 days now. We're actually here in El Curso. I'm with Vingal and her fiance. It's so funny to say that. Jan, you guys have met him already when we went to their, what was that, engagement party. Anyway, we're in Larshan. So we're having dinner here. Lynn unfortunately cannot come with us due to some reasons. But anyway, this is our food. We have here, what's this again? Grilled squid. This is eggplant, salad, and then pork barbecue. And we are waiting for, here it is. Kuya is here. Hala, oh, that's so big. Okay, at least we have some of this small bowls. Wow. Look, we have one pot of shell. Yes, Kuya. Thank you so much. Alright, so we have here the shell, guys. Ta-da! Look, this is clam, I think. It's actually a lot. I was not expecting it. I thought it's just like one bowl of clam. There's a lot of soup, so that's good because it's a bit windy. Alright, this is our food. Let's have dinner, guys. Bon appetit! I'm third wheeling. Hello. Vingal is there. And Jan, hi. So Jan actually just arrived, guys, from work. So he landed from Australia, right? Was it Australia? Yeah. And then to Malaysia, and then here in Cebu. So this is our first time meeting since he was in the ship. I'm so like kilig with this too. They're getting married pretty soon. You guys will see it for sure. I'm gonna vlog everything. Yeah, attending, but I'll try so that you will have a different perspective. So that you'll have a different perspective of the background, what's happening. Guys, this is our view, by the way. It's so pretty. Yeah, bon appetit. Let's eat. It's not very sweet. Sana all.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could